Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the word do. Do is an action word, a verb, so it's a green word on our boards. And it is whenever we perform a certain act. Let's find our word do on our systems. On Word Power 60 Basic from Sotillo and the TouchChat app, do is right here. Do. On our Lamp Words for Life app on the iPad, do is with the finger. Do. On our SnapCore First app on the iPad, do is a green word. Do. All right, now let's practice using our word do for different functions of communication. I could comment on something and say, I do like unicorns. I could ask a question. I could say, do you like goldfish? Yeah. I could protest or reject and say, I do not like green beans. I could direct an action and say, you do it. I could request permission and say, can I do it? Yes. Okay.